Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will do a fundamental analysis of Gujarat Gas Limited from an investor's perspective. So, in this video, we will understand about its business and we will understand about the company. We will go through few financial figures. We will see what are the opportunities and concerns in this company, and at last, I'll share my personal opinion. So to start off with business, Gujarat Gas Limited is a natural gas distribution company. So it buys the natural gas and then it distributes this to end users and customers. The end users here are domestic consumers, commercial consumers, industrial consumers, and vehicular consumers. For domestic consumers, it serves the gas by setting up kitchen gas connections. For commercial consumers are like hotels and restaurants. It sets up the gas connection. Same goes with the industrial consumers. It sets up the pipelines to serve their requirements. For vehicular consumers, it sets up the CNG gas stations for vehicular needs. Coming to the company was established in 1980. The company currently has 25 city gas distribution licenses. Through these licenses, the company operates in 42 districts, which is spread across 6 states and 1 union territory. Primarily, the company operates in Gujarat. Currently, the company serves 15 lakh domestic consumers. It has around 12,600 commercial consumers. It has around 403 gas stations, CNG gas stations, and it serves 3,700 industrial units. Coming to its market share, the domestic connections market share of this company is 24%. In CNG stations, its market share is 18%. In commercial connections, its market share is 41%, and in industrial connections, its market share is 36%. Coming to the shareholding pattern, around 60% of the share is held by promoters. The promoters here include Gujarat State Petronet Limited and Governor of Gujarat. Around 8.64% is held by foreign institutional investors, around 7.38% is held by domestic institutional investors, and 23% is held by public. Coming to its financial numbers, in last 5 years, the revenues have grown sequentially. In 2017, the revenues were 5,092 crores, and in 2021, the revenues have reached to 9,854 crore. But you can see in when compared to 2020, the revenues have slightly decreased. This is because of COVID-19. Talking about its profit before tax, that is PBT, in 2017 the profit before tax was 304 crore, and in 2021 the profit before tax is 1705 crore though. So the PBT number has also increased sequentially. Talking about its PAT, that is profit after tax, in 2017 it was 219 crores, and in 2021 the profit after tax is 1275 crores. So this has also increased sequentially. The thing we need to notice here is when compared to 2020, in 2021 the revenues have decreased, but whereas the profit before tax and after tax have increased. This is because the company has cut down its expenditures and interest payment. That's why the profit before tax and after tax have increased. Talking about its 5-year CAGR growth, the revenues have grown by 14.1%. The profit before tax has grown by 41.7%. This is a huge number here. And the profit after tax has grown by 42.4%. The overall industry has shown a growth of around 7.6%. So in comparison to industry, this company has performed exceptionally well. So again, this is a huge positive sign for an investor to consider here. Talking about a few more financial numbers, the operating margin of this company in the financial year 2021 was 18.4%. This is a positive sign. The net profit margin is 13%, again a positive sign. Return on equity is 28.3%. This is a positive sign. And debt to equity is 0.17. Last year the debt to equity was 0.5. This year it has decreased to 0.17. Again, this is a positive sign. Currently, the stock price of this company is 570 rupee. The PE is 30.7 and the sector PE is 29. Coming to its opportunities, uh, currently natural gas is considered the cleanest fossil fuel among all the fossil fuels. So its carbon dioxide emission is also very less when compared to all other fossil fuels. So this is the reason why government of India is pushing the usage of natural gas. Currently, India consumes 6% of natural gas um, of all the energy mix consumption. That is, out of all the energy consumption, we use 6% of natural gas. So India is trying to increase this number to 15% by 2030. So again, this is a positive sign for industry as well as for the company. Uh, Coming to other opportunities, the government have taken few initiatives like setting up of green corridors where the companies are allowed to set up CNG gas stations along the highways. So this is a positive sign. And the last positive sign is that the company has bought 6 new CGD license, that is city gas distribution licenses, in 10th bidding round. So this is a positive sign here. Coming to the risks and concerns, uh, as India imports 54% of natural gas from foreign countries, that is more than half of natural gas is imported from foreign countries. So India is heavily dependent on international market. So if there is an increase in prices of natural gas in international market, it will directly affect the consumption in India. So as consumption is affected, then revenue will also get affected. So this is a major concern here. Second major concern is regarding fire and safety issues. So wherever there is an involvement of oil and gas, there is always a fire and safety issue. So this is also a major concern. The third major concern is increasing importance of electrical vehicles. So nowadays we are seeing many companies and many people are opting for electrical vehicle. So as there is an increase in electrical vehicle, it will have an impact on company CNG gas stations. So this is again a concern. Coming to my opinion, I personally feel that this is a fundamentally a good stock, and I am presently holding a bullish view with a target of 20% return in next 1 year. Again, this is my personal opinion. Don't consider this as an recommendation to buy or sell the stock.